if one day you realize that love isn't supposed to hurt this much. I'm 27 years old. 2 years ago, I married the man I loved. We were happy. Or at least, I thought we were. In the beginning, everything felt like a dream. We held hands. We laughed at silly things. We stayed up late, just talking. He would call me beautiful. He would make me tea when I was tired. I thought this is what love looks like. But now, that dream feels far away, like a soft light that slowly faded. Now, the house feels cold. The silence feels loud, and his words cut like knives. He tells me I'm not good enough. He says I'm selfish. He says I don't care about him or his family. He doesn't shout, but his voice is sharp. Each word makes me feel smaller. I try so hard. I really do. I wake up early. I clean the house. I cook his favorite meals. I smile when I'm tired. I say yes, even when I want to say no. But every day, he finds something wrong with me. You never do enough. You only think about yourself. You're not the woman I thought you'd be. I want to make him happy, but it's never enough. And slowly, I stopped asking for things. I stopped buying little gifts for myself. I stopped taking breaks. Even when I was sick, I kept working because I didn't want him to call me lazy. I was afraid, not of him hitting me, but of him not loving me. And that fear, that slow, invisible fear, it changed me. I stopped talking to my friends. I didn't go out much. I didn't laugh the same. One day, I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the girl staring back. Her eyes were tired. Her smile was gone. She looked like she was carrying something heavy, but no one could see it. Some nights, I'd sit alone in the dark, holding a pillow, just breathing quietly, so he wouldn't hear me cry. I kept thinking, maybe it's my fault. Maybe I'm not kind enough. Maybe I don't listen well. Maybe I really am selfish. But deep down, a soft voice inside whispered, "You are trying. You are not the problem." I wanted to believe that voice, but his voice was louder. One night, we had another fight. I don't even remember what it was about. Something small, maybe dinner wasn't ready. Maybe I said something wrong. I went into the bedroom, closed the door quietly, sat on the bed, and cried. I cried for hours. Cried until my heart felt numb. I kept asking myself, what did I do wrong? Why can't I be enough for him? When he finally came into the room, he saw me crying. But he didn't ask if I was okay. He just said, "You're crying again." This is what I mean. You always make everything about you. My lips trembled. I said softly, I just want to be happy. I just want to feel enough. He didn't say a word. He turned around and walked away. That moment changed something in me. I realized I had lost myself. In trying to please him, I had forgotten me. I missed the old me, the one who laughed loudly, the one who danced while cooking, the one who believed she was enough. So I began to take walks, just 10 minutes a day. But those 10 minutes felt like freedom. I started reading again. I met my friends for coffee. I smiled at strangers. And with each small step, I began to breathe again. He noticed. He didn't like it. You're changing, he said. You're not the woman I married. He was right, because the woman he married never said no, never put herself first, never asked, what about me? One evening, I sat beside him. I looked at him carefully. His eyes were tired too. His heart was closed. I said, I can't keep doing this. I can't keep trying to make you happy. If nothing I do is ever enough. He didn't reply. He just stared at me, but something inside me shifted. I felt calm. I felt strong. Because for the first time, I was not begging. I was not crying. I was simply telling the truth. The days after that were quiet. He didn't speak much, but I kept going. I watered the plants. I journaled my thoughts. I studied new things online. I went to sleep without fear. And slowly, my smile came back. Not for him, not for anyone, but for me. I still don't know what will happen to my marriage. Maybe it will end. Maybe it will heal. But now I know I am not broken. I am not weak. And I am not too much. I am enough. I always have been. And if you are listening to this right now, and you've ever felt like you are not enough, please remember, you don't have to earn love by forgetting who you are. You don't have to shrink yourself to fit someone's small idea of you. You are not too loud, not too soft, not too emotional, not too anything.